Alright, about to knock the little shed out, part of the house. This the last little what I gotta do. A little, what's about 10 by 20? 10 by 10, little 10 by 10. Little shed. You know what I'm saying? Little wood. See all the little things. Shit, some trees on there. Gotta get that up. Yeah.
Get monetized and get some dough. You gotta go so I can get some dough. Monetize on my grind. Gotta get my watch hours up.
Yeah,
and I'm
knock
on
this out.
a little over half.
Head on
And I
tonight.
gotta get my subscribers
Alright, I'm almost done.
There go
Get back in this house. Back in the shed.
I said my homeboy people here help me out. Wow.
Last hit, and I'm out. done now. Do a little walk around. See how white I got the door, the little shutters. Still got some little things up there, but I couldn't really get it all off because I already tore the paint up. So, but I got it looking nice and white. Doors white. Top nice and white. Looks pretty good. Looks good, not pretty good. All right, back. Okay, there we go. We all done. What time is it? 3:11. Yeah. I went over my time. And I still got the other one to do. But I think I'm gonna go take me, and I'm gonna get something to eat. But I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna go do that other job or whatnot. So I need to call the contractor, whoever, Albert, who gave me the job. Oh man, this gas leak on. Oh, it turned out good. Let me walk around this side first. All right, them dried up nice and lovely. Let me check on this other side. Bird. Okay. Good. A little stuff still there a little bit, but I got most of it off. Hell yeah. Alright. There we go. Finished product. Alright, about to wrap up, get ready to go. Somebody else from Yep calling me. Even though I'm already doing business with them. But I ain't got time to talk like that. Ready to go. Ooh, my mouth is dry. Mouth is dry. Oh. All right. Woo! Tired, I'm hot. Finished the job, but I still got the other one to do. I'm gonna call Albert, the property manager, or whatever he is. I don't even know what he is, but I guess he's the property manager. So give me something to eat and go check the house out. Duke out here with me still. About to go ride with him. Go give me something to eat. You know, a little spot out here. And Gump, you called, but you know, you called late. You know, I already knocked it out already by the time you called me. And I didn't have to use Shane's pressure washer either, so that's even better. So I don't got to pay him. I don't gotta pay Gump because he didn't come and help me. And I don't gotta pay Shane for using this pressure washer because I didn't use it. But I still might give him a couple dollars just for letting me use it because I might need it again and need it, but who knows. But I'm gonna see. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what he say. I'll tell him I ain't use it. I ain't gotta give him the money. He's like, man, I still need something. But I know he ain't gonna say nothing like he hurt for money like that. But like it was all good. I knocked out by myself. And like I say, I'd rather split the money one way than two ways. You know what I mean? One way, one way, only one way. Only one person getting paid, that's me. I didn't have to give nobody else no money. So that's a plus in my book. You know what I mean? So I already got that one done did for X amount of dollars. And next I'm on to the other one after we go get something to eat. Nice Jaguar. Have to go get something to eat. Dang, look at all this traffic. But really, I am tired. But I told the old boy, I'm gonna go check it out. I hope it ain't no two-story. I'm gonna see. It's all good. I can knock it out. Got Dookie Duke in front of me. All white. Got the white fleets. He got the Volkswagen. And I got the Chevy. Heavy Chevy. Duke got the Food Wars thing tomorrow. And I was thinking about that too because I wasn't gonna do the other job. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but I forgot Duke. I think Duke said the Food Wars thing's tomorrow. And I told him I'm gonna go out there with him and check that out. That's another one of the little ventures that we got going on and he got going on, you know. But we both team up together. When he got something going on, I go check him out. When I got something going on, he come check me out. You know what I mean? That's what we do. That's how everybody's supposed to do, but they don't do the right thing. So now it's just two. Nah, it's others too, but you know, me and Duke are the ones that put stuff together, if that makes any sense to y'all. But I'm just rumbling, rattling, smelling gas in the background. Where my cigarettes at? There they go. Woo! But I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. What's up, squad? What's up, family? Yeah, I'm back. And like I said from yesterday's video, I'm on the way to the other job from the previous one. So I'm out here today to go knock it out. And today is a whole lot cooler. It's 88 degrees right now. Yesterday, the car was reading 99 degrees. Whew, it was a scorcher. That's why I just couldn't do the second one yesterday. It was too hot for me to do. Too hot as it was. Nah. I'd rather come fresh the next day and knock it out. But I ain't gonna say fresh because I worked my regular job today. I didn't work a regular job yesterday. That's all good. But usually when I get off, I take me a nap. Man, I gotta go out here and get it. So ain't no sleep. Getting that money. And like I said, from the job from yesterday, you know, I'm be real transparent with y'all. You know, like I said, the job I had yesterday, like it was a like emergency job. I had to go over and fix what somebody messed up. So you know, I done a job yesterday. Did a good job, but you know, it was so messed up. You know what I mean? Some of the stuff didn't come out. But most of it, 85% of it came off. 85%. You know what I mean? But it was just that one part that didn't come out. You know what I mean? So I called the property manager. When he called me, I talked to him earlier. I called him about this job today. But he called me a few minutes ago and was like, well, when I talked to him earlier, he said he was going to the job with the homeowner and check it out. So I was like, that's cool. So, you know what I mean, I got ready, you know, head out to the other job. So I see he called me back, and he was like, Roscoe, is that the best it could do? That's the best it could do or something like that? I'm like, what you talking about? I'm like, oh, you talking about the side of the house? Yeah, the side of the house. Part to say, because I know the rest of the house is superb. It's looking real good. But that part right there, all of it didn't come off. So I was like, you know, I'm a good business. I'm a good businessman. So I was like, you know, yeah, I did best as I could, but I'll come out, just, you know what I mean, make it good. I'll come out there and, you know what I'm saying, go over it again. You know what I mean? He was like, that's cool. I was like, so how you want me to do? You want me to go over there and go back over it right now, or you want me to go to the new one? So he told me to go ahead and continue to go to the other new job, knock that one out, and then, you know, then I come back later on or whatever and go hit that again. I said, that's cool. Like I said, I ain't gonna, you know, if it's not looking right, you don't think it's looking right, you know, I go right back at it for you. I do it over. You know what I mean? So that's all it's about. Keep the customer happy. You know what I mean? Those jobs will come. But like I said, with that one, it was bad. It was bad. But you know what I mean? I trusted my work so good. You know what I mean? I know I did the best I could to get it off. So, you know what I mean? I made it look a whole lot better. But like this house I'm about to go to now, I don't even charge them. I ain't telling them how much I was gonna charge them for. We need to discuss that price. But like you said, same size would probably be the same amount of money. But I forgot what I was saying. I forgot what I was at. But you know what I mean? I'm about to go over here and knock this job out. Oh, I remember what I was saying. Yeah, but like on this new job here, like as long as we don't have no messed up peak parts of the house, like, you know, jacked up, and you know, like the one I just done, it's all good. Like if it's just dirt on it, mildew, the regular little, you know what I mean, wear and tear on the regular side of our house, I have it looking good. But if it's messed up and, you know what I mean, all sorts of crazy stuff, I can't do nothing. But I'm gonna hit y'all in a second. I gotta get on this GPS. Nope, that's not the street. Get on this GPS and find this address. So I'll see y'all when I pull up. Alright, well, I just pulled up. And man, it doesn't look too good for me. Because it's an incline on this hill, and I'm not gonna be able to get it with my ladder, I don't think. And on one, that might be a little too much out my range there. Dang, I hate to turn down some money, but we about to go out here and check it out. Cause I don't have my ladder. I don't have a long enough ladder for that one. But see, look how this hill is. I can't get all the way up there. Nope, I can't do it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn this one down.
Go up on the money because this is flat down there, flat enough. The cherry picker won't have no problem. Now if it's you know, kind of slant.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It needs some work too though, boy. That thing's 30.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. They gotta get this deck to pass too. It needs to be. It's got the legs. They gotta be hidden.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't get him what he gonna make me do it.
Ah! Dang. Dang. That's what he was talking about. Got some foundation problems I gotta pass. See, they got a little ladder too. Man, but like I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna have to get a cherry picker or something. God almighty. Yeah, yeah. Not gonna be able to do this job right here. Not at all. Because, I mean, unless he wanted me to do it without doing the side of the house, but that's corny. But I called Home Depot to try to rent me a cherry picker. Cause like I said, because that is too high off the ground for me to be trying to get up there or getting on the roof to clean the top of the siding. It's not worth it. But I tried to call Depot and rent one of them cherry machines, cherry pickers. Man. And I'm not even making that, to rent that thing is like $400 to rent it. I had to give him $400 deposit or something down on it. And I'm not going through all that, so I thought I was going to have to do the job. No, I'm pausing, I'm shaking my head because I wanted to say something else, but I didn't. I couldn't say it. But I mean, I could say this though, but if they already knew that I was gonna be able to do the job, I don't even know why he didn't tell me what the house looked like before I came over here. Not saying it's all good, but yeah, it's just I just can't do it. I would like to do it, but I can't get on the side. I can't reach that right there. I can't see how hot it is at the bottom of that. You see how it goes. It's short there, but as you go down the hill, it raises up, and that is about, I don't even know how hot it is, man. That's about, damn, 60 feet in the damn air. I can't get up there. I'm not gonna try to get up there, but I can do everything else. I can do everything else on the house except for that side part. Now in the back a little raised a little bit too, but I could deal with that. But that side right there, I can't do it. So I just called Albert, which is the property manager. I called him twice, he didn't pick up the phone, but I'm still out here waiting. See if he's gonna call back. And I know I'm supposed to go back over here to the other job, and like I said, I'm gonna fix it up. I'm gonna hit it up a little bit more for him. You know what I mean? Hit up a little more for him, let it get a little better. And I thought I was gonna get a little more cheddar, but it's all good. Yeah, I'll come get it later. You know what I mean? But hopefully, and I'm gonna probably try to make this happen in my head. Hopefully when I talk to him, he's gonna be like, go ahead, Roscoe, do all you can do. You can't do that side of the house, don't worry about it. I mean, I can't do it because I can't do it. I'm telling you now, I can't get all the way up there. I could probably get down to the windows. I could probably get as high as the windows, probably. In that bathroom window, all the windows, the bathroom window. And I don't even know if I can get all the way to the tip of it, but man, this is too high. Alright, well, looks like they're doing something over there at that house. So I'm about to call him one more time, see what he say. If not, I'm about to ride out. But it's not going that way. I can't do it. But I would like to do this house because it's real dirty. I would love to do it because I would have it look real nice. But I hate that I can't get that right there. You know, man, it's gonna be hard for anybody without, I mean, you gotta have a cootie ladder to get up there, and I don't have that ladder. Now, you heard what I said? I said if I had that ladder, I don't have that ladder. It'd be cheaper for me to go buy a ladder than a cherry picker. I wonder how much. Oh shit. You know something about oh shit, because I still have my damn, y'all probably seen it in the window. Flash on still. From when I was under the house. But yeah, if I get a big ass ladder, I better get it. So you know what? Let me get off this phone, this video, so I can, you know what I mean, do a little research and see if I can find me a tall ladder. Alright, I'll get back.